Alright guys, this morning we decided to venture into Springdale here and grab a little Danish and coffee for breakfast before we get on the trail.
General store.
Yeah.
We always like to check out the general stores. They have a little bit of everything. Always like to see if there's any new camping gear. But this one was interesting. They had a little bakery, so we definitely got a strawberry cheese strudel and a coffee.
Alright, I'll turn the camera around. Heated this up in the microwave and good to go. A little chilly this morning, isn't it? Visiting the visitor center and the little gift shop area there, we got our postcards. You see how we got the stamps. So now we're gonna actually walk back out of the park on the walking trail, which is right by the Watchman campground, over to Zion Outfitters.
Absolutely. And I do want to say that the rangers are sitting outside if you want to get any information on the hike. So we were able to get information on the hike, see which ones are open, see which ones are closed. A lot of the ones we wanted to do are open, so we're really excited to get out there and hike and enjoy this beautiful weather.
Absolutely. So we're gonna make tickets for Angel's Landing, the Watchman, the Narrows, the Emerald Pools, and that's about all that's really open as far as, the connecting trails, which I'm sure we'll do.
And the other ones, they come from right at the visitor center. So if we have trouble getting tickets, we'll just plan to do one of those hikes off the visitor center on the day we can't get shuttle tickets.
So that'll work. So, all right, guys, I think we're going to head on over here to Zion Outfitters right outside the park, where you can rent gear if you'd like for the Narrows, or if you need to take a nice hot shower, or do your laundry if you're in the park, or after a long day on the trail. So
most definitely.
All right, guys, let's head on over there.
Right over the bridge is actually where you could rent gear to do the Narrows. You get sticks, waders, shoes, helmets, all kinds
bikes,
of stuff.
Anything you need.
Yeah.
So on that Game of Thrones?
Here's their shoes, the sticks, the whole outfit. See, keep you dry. And here's the Springdale shuttle inside the outfitter here, and check it out. So guys, right behind the Zion Outfitters, there is a restroom, showers and laundry, lockers. Looks like they even got some new lockers up.
Oh,
wow, very nice. Go down these steps. This works on like a token system, so you can get a shower here, use your credit card. One 5-minute shower is $4, $8 shower is 10 minutes, or you can do $12 for 15 minutes. And they get your tokens there, and then they have men and women's restrooms with showers, along with laundry facilities this time.
That's nice, because at the campground in Zion National Park, they don't have the showers or the laundry, so I could definitely see us using these.
All right, so after we get all wet doing the Narrows, we'll have to come in here and wash and dry our clothes and take a nice hot shower. So,
yeah, absolutely.
All right.
Sweet.
All right, guys, I think we're going to make our way onto the shuttle. and go get some food and look around a little bit in Springdale. Well, guys, you know Steph collects these pennies from all over the country here, and this is no different. I think she has a Zion National Park one from the last time we were here.
I can't even say which one it is, so hopefully I don't get the same one again. But this one is Angel's Landing, and we've done that twice now, so I definitely think I'm going to go with Angel's Landing.
There you
I
go.
definitely like this one, too. It says Hike Zion National Park. It's got a little water bottle and a hiking track. That one's cool, too.
But you're going to go with the Mountain A, the Angel's Landing, just to be safe. Like I said, she's got, I think we need to buy you another book. I think you're on book number 3 now, and it's almost done, so put the pennies and the quarters in there, and we'll spin it around, and you'll get to see what she gets out. There we go.
Angel's Landing.
Alright, guys, there it is. Looking good. Alright, we'll add that to the collection, sweetheart.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Alright. Alright, guys, since we're here in Springdale, we decided to go see if we can get a little Thai food tonight. See if we can't get on the list. Well, guys, we didn't record the coconut shrimp we got, but here's the little Thai dish we ordered.
Yeah,
Check
we went
that
with
out.
the orange sauce and some grilled chicken, and I believe that's jasmine rice. Actually, it kind of looks like just white rice, but it might be jasmine rice. And yeah, I haven't had too much experience with Thai food, so I'm really looking forward to this.
Alright, guys, well, we had dinner. You got to see the visitor center today. We're making our way back into the national park here. We'll make our way back over to the Watchman campground, back to our camp spot, and call it a night. Guys, we explored the visitor center, went into Springdale, hung out, got some Thai food, and now we're back at camp.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that restaurant. Super little, small restaurant. Really good food, great atmosphere. Service was excellent. We really enjoyed dinner. So it was a nice, relaxing day, just going and visiting the visitor center, and then going and seeing Springdale. And then we got to do dinner with one of our good friends, and we also got a penny. So today was definitely fun-filled adventure, and we're so glad you came with us.
Yeah, guys, so we're going to be starting our hikes tomorrow, so I think it's Angel's Landing we're going to do first and get that out of the way, and then we'll be doing some smaller hikes after that. But Stay tuned for all the hikes in Zion, and thanks a lot for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
check us out on Patreon and Instagram.
Hit the bell for more notifications.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Have a good night, guys.